We help companies increase productivity and eliminate paperwork by modernizing old systems and empowering data-driven decisions through custom-designed software. Companies will have maybe an off-the-shelf product or a piece of software that's in the cloud, custom solutions that they have that they've outgrown, and that's where we come in. When Unstoppable Software started in 2008, we found that the companies that tended to come to us were manufacturing or engineering companies. And we've built that great experience working in that industry. We're able to communicate well with them and have experience that we can then share to help optimize solutions. You may have a legacy software system that is running your company. It works, but it is not able to keep pace with the growing needs of your business. We can use our software developers to keep that piece of software up to date, and it's often for less than the cost of a full-time software developer. When clients work with us, we work with them up front to understand what is it that they need and where can we provide the value as quickly as possible. We're going to take a milestone-based approach, and in each milestone we're going to deliver working software as early as possible. At Unstoppable, we drive results in the face of distractions.